How is this impeachment process going to impact the market, and what are the results going to do to the market that we're trading in right now? Stay tuned, and we are going to dive into that today, and we're going to look at today's review for the S&P 500. Welcome, Day Trade Like a Pro. We are looking at a 5-minute chart of the S&P 500. I'm going to run through this here with you and show you what we're looking at. This orange line here is a prediction point, and that's generated by our proprietary algorithm. Now, normally we would have a handful or more of these that come into play every day, but given the very slow market that we haven't been seeing much range at all. We did have another price up here at 06, and then we had 32.10 quarter, and eventually we really were looking for a push up to here, and really still are looking for a push up to there, given that our price here held all day. So those prices have changed now for tomorrow, and I haven't looked at what they are for Thursday, December 19th. But for right now, that's what we were looking for today. So somewhere in that range, we'll likely have some prices for tomorrow. So here we came down here in the pre-market. We held here. We probed this by a tick after the open. And these two green lines are prices that we gave, just what we thought was going to be resistance in the market. So we had 32.02 quarter. And then we had 32.03 quarter. So these would be areas that were either taking profit on the long, or it would be an aggressive short. So meaning we're looking for a higher target up, we could short this for a smaller pullback. So here was the move on the open. Once we came down here, we pushed up here within a tick of this price. So there was a short opportunity here for this pullback, and then a long opportunity here about 96. And then that 96 got us all the way back up here. We had 03 quarter. The high was 03. So this worked out here. This trade was about 7 points. And I know we had traders who got this and got about 7.5 points on this move. Some of them scaled out a little earlier and then added on a pullback and then got in here. So in other words, if you bought 10 contracts here at 96 and you took some of your profit up here, we had this, I think we had 98 quarter was our price. So we gave another support area in here. I didn't want to put too much on here, but we gave a support area in here. So we said, so you could take some of this at 98, half, 99, that area, and then it pulled back down here to that area, and there's an opportunity. So if you were long 10, you could take 7 off right here, and then you could rebuy 10 more when it comes back down here for the push up to there. So either way, this one ended up working out here from 02. That got us back down here to 96. So there's 6 points, and then we had about 7 points on this one. There's 13 points. We came all the way back down to here within another tick of this. That's at 96. That's real close to the close. And then we've moved back up here again into the Globex, and we'll see how that continues. But we're expecting higher highs given the what's going on in the market currently. Now, let's talk about so just to wrap this up here, we've got 6 points here. We've got 7 points here. We've got another 7 points over here, and that thing just kind of dies off. So about 20 points or something, depending on how you traded this. And obviously there was more available depending on how experienced you are and all of that. So let's talk a little bit about how the impeachment is going to affect the market. So pretty much as we see it here, the way that this is going to break down is that if the president is impeached, it will probably bring in the sellers. The stock market, Wall Street, has liked what President Trump has done, and we've seen the rally through his presidency, and they likely are going to continue to like what he's done. So if he were to be impeached, that is probably not good news for the market. and I think we would see sellers coming in to the market there. Next thing is that if the president is not impeached, that will likely bring buyers into the market. So we're looking, if sellers, probably if he's impeached. If he's not impeached, probably get some buyers coming into the market. You can check out the pre-market planning video that we did this morning, and you can check that out by clicking the link up here in the corner. And if you want to try prediction points for free for 14 days, you can do that by clicking the link below this video, or you can go to daytradelikeapro.com. It's free, 14 days, no credit card. Check it out, see what you think about them. If it's not the best thing that you've ever had, you're out nothing. So we will see you in the next video.